DroneWork is an integrated control solution that connects every moment of drone operations. It is possible to centrally control over 100 drones simultaneously, enabling their operation, control, monitoring, and data management alongside their respective stations. Through DroneWork's integrated schedule management for multiple stations, video and flight data are automatically recorded concurrent with drone flight. Various data collected during flight is shared in real time with all stakeholders, anytime and anywhere, across remote controllers, mobile devices, tablets, and the central control screen. The entire process, from on-site monitoring to data management and analysis, can be centrally integrated and managed. With various device linking technologies, it supports video transmission from smartphones and IoT devices, allowing for rapid situation transfer and complete monitoring. The ultimate integrated drone control solution, DroneWork. DroneWork allows you to operate drones from various manufacturers on a single platform. From drone stations to station-based and standard controller drones, as well as domestically produced drones and controllers, every type can be fully integrated and monitored within the same environment. Different equipment, one system. Complete integrated control. The ultimate integrated drone control solution. DroneWork. DroneWork allows you to centrally manage the schedules of multiple drone stations. Drones automatically begin their flights according to the set schedule. And return once the mission is complete. Data is synchronized immediately upon landing. From data acquisition to monitoring and patrols, every task can be fully automated, enabling a single operator to manage over 20 drone stations efficiently and reduce operational costs. The ultimate integrated drone control solution, DroneWork. DroneWork ensures the secure management of your data with a complete security system. Ultra-low latency video transmission, compliance with the National Intelligence Service's CCEAL standard. Encrypted communication equipment eliminate the risk of data leaks. The dedicated DroneWork GCS app applies the same principles, completely preventing external data exposure, secure management for critical on-site data. The ultimate integrated drone control solution, DroneWork. DroneWork's AI plays a key role throughout the entire drone operation process. From object detection to data analysis and control, its AI-powered features enhance operational efficiency. Using YOLO-based object detection, it identifies various targets in real time and provides alerts for rapid on-site response. Detected footage is automatically recorded, and on-site data is analyzed and presented as visualized information, intelligent control for more precise operations. The ultimate integrated drone control solution. DroneWork. DroneWork centrally manages all scheduled flights at shipyard sites. Drones take off according to the set schedule and fly across the entire shipyard, capturing high-resolution footage. The collected images are converted into orthophotos, allowing precise identification of block positions and layouts, maximizing operational efficiency. Even across vast shipyard areas, everything is fully integrated on a single platform. The ultimate integrated drone control solution. DroneWork. DroneWork is highly effective for refinery equipment inspections. With automated drones and an integrated control system, operations become safer and more efficient. Following a preset route, drones automatically inspect the entire refinery. Operators can monitor all equipment in real time with minimal intervention. Pipelines and storage tanks are monitored in real time using thermal cameras. If abnormal temperatures are detected, the responsible personnel receive instant automatic alerts. Workers can share live field data, check critical locations, and stay updated on important notices, ensuring safe inspections. The ultimate integrated drone control solution. DroneWork. DroneWork enables real-time situation awareness at road construction sites. Drones fly over the construction areas, capturing footage that is converted into orthophotos. This allows for real-time monitoring of construction progress and automated comparison analysis. From roadworks to overall site management, everything is seamlessly integrated on a single platform. The ultimate integrated drone control solution. DroneWork. In Yeongdeok, 15 stations cover approximately 80% of the county, establishing a comprehensive wildfire monitoring system. Wildfires are monitored safely, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. In emergencies, operators can deploy drones within 10 seconds using coordinated location data. DroneWork also performs various missions at night, using thermal cameras for wildfire monitoring and rescue operations, keeping the site secure. The ultimate integrated drone control solution. DroneWork. Drones in Yeongdeok serve a wide range of roles beyond wildfire monitoring. During non-wildfire seasons or low-risk periods, drones are deployed across various operations. ensuring efficient and cost-effective use. From safety management at summer resorts to real-time monitoring of disaster sites such as typhoons and floods. Even in dense fog, heavy rain, and snow, drones provide continuous situational awareness and crowd and traffic control at local events. Youngduck's drone system enables rapid response to every situation. Across all seasons, Youngduck stays safe. 15 drone stations operate continuously, without waste. By sharing drone stations across the entire region, drones are deployed exactly when and where they are needed, enabling efficient management of the whole municipality. The ultimate integrated drone control solution. DroneWork.